Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the core mission right here, and basically what these are is a glass screen protector that you can use for the back camera on your iPhone. So basically put this on the back part right here to give you guys that extra protection for your lens in the back. And for this product actually works for both iPhone 13 Pro and also iPhone 13 Pro Max. And it's really cool how they provide guys 3 of them in here, so you guys always have a backup one just in case. But in terms of the features or specs that's on the product, they mentioned how it's actually anti-fingerprint, anti-scratch. It's also supposed to be waterproof or water resistant, and it's also supposed to be bubble free as well. And also when you guys set up the product, it should still be super high quality when you guys actually use it for like taking photos or whatever. And they also mentioned how it should give you guys a strong protection when you guys set it up. So if you guys accidentally drop it in the back, it won't crack your lens. And also they mentioned how the actual product is super thin, so you don't have to worry about it not working for your cases. It should be fine. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually open this up to show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so they provide guys 3 of these right here with this wet wipe and dry wipes. So you can definitely use this to actually clean off your lens and everything before you guys put it on. And then right here we have the glass screen protector. If you guys can see, it comes in a pack of 3 of these. So like I mentioned earlier, they provide you guys more than enough for you guys to have a backup one just in case. But when you guys take it out, this is basically what the product looks like before you guys put it on. If you can see, it definitely looks and feels like a high quality product. You guys can definitely hear how it's super durable. But that is basically everything that's included in the package. Let me actually put this down and show you guys how to set it up and how to install it first. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here on my phone, let me show you guys how to install it. So you basically want to use the wet wipe first to wipe it down. Make sure the lens and everything is fully clean before you guys apply it on. Alright, so now you guys want to use the dry wipe right here. And you want to wipe it down and make sure it's dry and everything before you guys apply it on. Alright, so that should be good. Now you want to take out this part right here and apply it on. Alright, so you just want to put it down like that. Once you guys have it in the correct position, you guys want to push it down to make sure it stays on. Once you guys have it on, this is basically what it actually looks like. So when you guys install the product, you definitely want to make sure it does not cover this part, does not cover your lens, and also does not cover the microphone as well. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully install it. So let's try out the lens on here and see how it works with the glass screen protector on. Alright, so you see the quality on here is not bad. It's still pretty good. It's definitely still high quality even with this glass screen protector on. Let's try video. So even when we are recording, you can definitely see the quality on here is still pretty high quality. So even with the glass screen protector on, it still works really well. So you don't have to worry about getting bad image quality or video quality when you guys use the product. But now let me just try to put on my case to see how it works and when actually worked with this product on. So I basically just want to snap it in. Alright, so you see that once we have a case on, it definitely works pretty well. So even when you guys have a case on, it does not affect the product. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see that it actually does work and it's quite well. Super easy to install the product. Literally all you can do is use the wet wipe, dry wipe to clean off your lens first. Then you can basically peel off the actual product and stick it on. If you can see, the process of actually sticking on is actually really easy and it didn't take that long. And I really like how thin the product is, so that way it does not affect your phone when you guys put it on. So even when you guys use it for like taking photos or videos or even putting your case on, it's completely fine. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a high quality glass screen protector for your lens in the back of your phone. Especially if you guys get like the brand new iPhone 13 Pro or iPhone 13 Pro Max, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.